What if one of the simplest foods in your kitchen could quietly transform your body in just 7 days? No expensive supplements, no complicated diet, just eggs. But is that actually good for you, or secretly harmful? Eggs have been part of human diets for centuries, yet they remain one of the most misunderstood foods. Some people eat them every day without thinking twice. Others avoid them completely because of cholesterol fears. But what really happens when you eat eggs every single day for a week? Not just on the surface, but deep inside your body, your brain, your energy, your metabolism, even your cells. In this video, we're going to walk through it step by step, day by day, so you can understand exactly what changes, what improves, and what you should be careful about. Because the truth is, some of these effects are subtle but powerful, and one of them might completely change how you look at eggs forever. Day 1. The silent nutrient flood begins. The moment you start eating eggs, something important happens. Even if you don't feel it right away, your body suddenly receives a dense package of nutrients in a very small form. Eggs are not just protein, they are a complete food. Inside one egg you get high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins like A, D, E, and B12, and important minerals like selenium. On day 1, your digestive system begins breaking down this nutrient-rich food. Unlike highly processed meals, eggs are relatively easy to digest. The protein gets broken down into amino acids, which are then used to repair tissues, build muscle, and support basic body functions. You may not notice any dramatic change yet, but internally your body's already responding. It's like turning on a quiet machine that's been waiting for the right fuel. And here's something interesting. Your hunger patterns may start to shift even on the very first day. Day 2. Appetite control starts to improve. By the second day, your body begins to recognize eggs as a reliable source of satiety. Eggs are incredibly filling, especially when eaten in the morning. This is because protein slows down digestion and reduces the hunger hormone known as ghrelin. So what does that mean for you? You may find yourself feeling full for longer periods. That constant urge to snack between meals might start to fade. Instead of thinking about food every couple of hours, you feel more in control, and this effect is subtle. You might not even notice it happening consciously. You just realize you're not as hungry as usual. But here's where it gets more interesting. This improved appetite control can quietly affect your weight over time. Day 3. Your energy levels begin to stabilize. By day 3, your body starts using the nutrients from eggs more efficiently. Unlike sugary foods that cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, eggs provide a steady source of energy. They contain healthy fats and protein, which release energy slowly. At this point, you may notice something small but meaningful. Your energy feels more stable throughout the day. You don't experience that sharp drop in energy in the afternoon. You don't feel the same level of tiredness after meals. Instead, your body feels balanced. This happens because eggs also contain B vitamins, especially B12, which play a key role in converting food into usable energy. But here's the part most people don't expect. This isn't just about physical energy. Your mental clarity starts improving too. Day 4. Your brain gets the fuel it needs. By the 4th day, your brain begins benefiting from a nutrient called choline. Choline is often overlooked, but it's essential for brain health. It helps produce a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which is involved in memory, learning, and focus. As you continue eating eggs daily, your brain receives a steady supply of this nutrient. You might notice that your thoughts feel a little clearer. You can concentrate slightly better. You feel less mentally foggy. It's not a dramatic transformation, but it's noticeable enough to make a difference in your daily life. And here's where it gets even more surprising. Your body is not just thinking better, it's starting to repair itself more efficiently. Day 5. Cellular repair and muscle support improve. By day 5, your body has been consistently receiving high-quality protein. This is important because protein isn't just for bodybuilders, it's essential for everyone. Every cell in your body relies on protein to function and repair itself. At this stage, your muscles, skin, and internal tissues are benefiting from the steady supply of amino acids. If you exercise, you may recover slightly faster. If you've been feeling physically tired, your body may start to feel stronger. Even small things, like posture, stamina, or physical endurance, can begin to improve. But here's something most people don't realize. Eggs are also quietly protecting one of your most important senses, your vision. Day 6. Your eyes receive hidden protection. By the 6th day, antioxidants from eggs begin to accumulate in your body. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful compounds that support eye health. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from damage caused by blue light, screens, and aging. You won't suddenly see better overnight. But inside your body, these compounds are working to reduce long-term risks. They help lower the chances of conditions like eye strain and age-related vision problems. And here's something even more unexpected. Your outer appearance may start reflecting these internal changes. Day 7. Your body feels the difference as a whole. By the end of the week, your body has adapted to this new habit. You've been consistently feeding it high-quality nutrients every day. At this point, several small changes come together. Your appetite is more controlled, your energy is more stable, your brain feels sharper, your body repairs itself more efficiently. Even your skin and hair may begin to benefit from the vitamins and healthy fats in eggs. Your body feels more balanced, more supported, more efficient. But before you think this means more eggs equals more benefits, there's an important reality you need to understand. The balanced truth. Benefits versus risks. Eggs are incredibly nutritious, but they are not a magic solution, and they're not perfect for everyone. For most healthy individuals, eating 1 to 2 eggs per day is considered safe and beneficial. Modern research shows that for many people, the cholesterol in eggs does not significantly raise bad cholesterol levels. However, some individuals may respond differently. If you already have high cholesterol, heart disease, or certain metabolic conditions, eating eggs daily may require caution. And then there's another factor: how you prepare them. Eating boiled or poached eggs is very different from eating eggs fried in excessive oil or butter. The cooking method can turn a healthy food into something less beneficial. And perhaps the most important point of all, no single food can replace a balanced diet. Eggs should be part of a healthy lifestyle, not the only focus. So after 7 days, eggs don't create a dramatic overnight transformation. Instead, they quietly improve your body from the inside out, one small change at a time. But here's a question worth thinking about. If 1 week can do this, what could 1 month do? Sometimes, the biggest changes don't come from extreme diets or complicated routines. They come from simple, consistent habits, like adding eggs to your daily meals. Your body doesn't need perfection, it needs support. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple, science-backed health insights, make sure to subscribe. And now, I'm curious, how do you usually eat your eggs? Let me know in the comments below.